upside down. Doesn't look right. Alright, it's a miserable day. It's just absolutely pissing it down. If you saw in the last video, we got a new package, which was in this box. Don't look at my address, please. The new lights have arrived. That's what we're doing today. We got new bulbs as well from AUXBEAM, and we are going to be installing them both in our comfy jumpers. Once again, these will be for sale at the end of the month. Right, these are the lights I got custom made. If you don't know me, you don't know my channel, my current lights, they are halos as well. So that's what these things are, the halos, and then they're Twindicators, which I believe when I put the side lights on with the halos, they will come on to like 50%. And when I indicate, they'll go full brightness, but we'll see. I don't know exactly what he's done. But along with these lights, we've got actual bulbs, the brand new bulbs that we've got with them. I'll just go grab them now. So these are the lights. AUXBEAM hit me up and were like, yo, do you want to try out our bulbs, LED lights? I was like, yeah, sure. I'm actually getting some new headlights anyway, so that'll be perfect. So these are 600K, pure white, simple to install. Basically, that's all on the back.
I don't want me walking around.
Yeah, okay. You're really distracting. Suggested in the last video, I opened up the box. One bulb's already installed, but this is what it is. And I looked at it and I was like, how the fuck? Because that looks like some sort of mains plug. So I was like, how the hell does this plug in to a headlight? It's literally a direct fit. And I didn't even know how. I was shocked. I'm like, can you stop? I was shocked that it was a direct fit.
I just realised that where you are, the camera, you're probably going to see.
Yeah, probably. That's your fault. Old bulb from a standard Mark IV headlight. And you've got that as the plug. It's exactly the same as that. It has like the converter because it's LED, so it doesn't just plug straight in. It's the exact same fitment. Now the one thing which I was a tiny bit unsure on, I will show you. Let me go get the other headlight and yeah, let's install this. Ah! Oh god, nearly dropped it. So, new headlight, same as the other one, I hope. If you've got the AUXBEAM headlights, bulbs even, then you basically pull that slightly, and then without getting your finger stuck, yep. You pop it open, that just comes off, and then it's this bulb here. You pull this off first, like that, get that out of the way. This little metal clip is basically just clipped in, so you need to just push it sort of down and out the way. There we go. And then that lifts up, and then you can grab the bulb. Then you get the new one. We sort of discovered that because this bit is so chunky, that this metal clip now becomes useless because of how chunky that is. So if you just squeeze it from here, it just comes off. There's a bit which sticks up in the middle, so then you need to just look where that looks on there. You just need to like squeeze this box somewhere just behind here, I think. How did I do it? Was it like this? We've sort of tucked it to the side. Quite awkward because of how thick the wire is. Line it up so that it sits in there. And then plug that into there. And then you're done. If you want to be safe, you could probably tape this down, but I'm pretty sure it's tucked in. Now, the way that this sticks out, this then gets clamped in with this. Like that. In my old lights, I took the original side light bulb out because that ruins the halo effect. So if you want to do, it's that bottom one down there. That's the side light. So if you just want to get rid of that. Oh, first thing to do, take the bumper off and then get the old lights out. There goes one of the things. Yeah, we'll just rest it like that. So to get the headlights off, there's just 2 screws on the top, 2 screws on the bottom. So let's do the bottom ones first. I say screws, I don't know what they're called. I think they are some sort of screw. No, I did them things. They're screws with built-in washers. Whatever, I'm just gonna get these off. This is where the old halos are plugged in. We had to wire these in ourselves. Remember that guy did it for me. What I'm thinking, should I plug the new lights in now? See if they work just like that. If we just plug them straight in. I don't get why this guy did it to this though. Why didn't he do it to this? Because this has side lights. Okay, we're just going to test the new lights. We're going to plug this in. So this is now going to be with the side lights on. See what happens.
Am I going to get blinded sitting right here? Oh.
How's that look?
So good.
Whoa, that's fucking bright.
You've got both lights on.
Jeez. Oh yeah. Holy shit, that's well bright.
Compared to these.
That's dope. Alright, look away.
I'm not looking. Okay, now I'm looking.
And then what about indicator? If I indicate.
Yeah, they go bright.
Really?
Yeah. The whole thing flashes. It's like a bulb in the middle that flashes.
That's cool. That's really cool. That's sick. Alright.
Oh, the indicators on their own looked really good. That looks so good.
That does look cool. Alright, yeah, okay, let's actually get them in now. So, we know it works, which is good.
So does that mean you can cut those wires and it'll work anyway?
Yeah. I'm going to turn the camera off until we've got this sorted. Daniel's come round, Lucy's brother, been an absolute legend.
Hello.
He saved us with some electrical tape, which I don't have any of, apparently. Whoever's getting my old lights, you'll have to wire in from the side lights, is how we did it before. But now that it's not needed, I just cut it. I don't know how much of this you can actually see. I just cut it back off and then electrical taped it so that it's now just useless, not doing anything. So, thanks Dan.
Okay.
Let's get these in. Here we go, boys.
Shall I move the camera? So you can see
Yeah. What?
the camera doesn't even pick up the fact that there's halos.
Oh, look at that lens flare. It's just bright, isn't it? Well, it's really bright.
Is this where...
That doesn't sound right. So now that the lights are on, I just quickly soldered some hoses to do with the intercooler. But yeah, so everything's done, so now we're just going to put the bumper back on. This is really hard with one person. My helpers are gone, but I don't know how I'm going to do this by myself. This hose from the intercooler, it stops the bumper from fitting properly, which means there's a huge gap this side. If it bothers me, I will eventually have to cut the bumper, just because. The only thing is that light is slightly foggy, which is annoying. I don't want it to be foggy. I don't know if it's something the guy did when he glued the lens back on. And there we go. So that's the new look of the car. This is when they're off. I'll go run through each and every one now. That's just the indicators. And then when you have just the side lights on, the indicators go to half, but like 50% on. With the brand new AUXBEAM lights, which are just a straight fit, and they look great. They don't ruin the effect of like the LEDs because they are themselves LEDs, and really good power output. I'm probably going to need to change the beam pattern because they are looking quite high at the moment and I don't want to blind people. And then the full beam, the full beam is just a normal, because they're just normal Mark IV light. Full beam is just normal bulb. But yeah, I'm happy with that. They look evil. So with the new lights in, that means that the old set are now going to be for sale soon. Not yet. Don't go jumping into my Instagram DMs just yet. It'll probably be on my story, so keep an eye out on my story. And then the first one to message me, once the story goes live, first come, first serve. They've had a lot of interest. That's all I can say. And I'm probably going to be putting them up for 100 or nearest offer, because that's what I see them go for online. Similar ones going for anyway. So the new lights, what do you guys think of them? Hopefully when I use them a bit more, the fog will die down a little bit, I guess. I don't know. This may be the last video, depending on how much time I get, until next weekend with Santapod and my car meet. So just quickly run through again. I'm going to be at Santapod next week on the Saturday, and then on Sunday is the car meet down in Weybridge. Yeah, I hope it goes well. It would be great to see you guys there. Yeah, I don't know what to expect, so I'm quite scared. Not gonna lie, I'm actually really nervous because I don't want it to be shit, and I don't want. It's because I don't know what to expect. I'm just nervous. All I can say is just be responsible there, because I'm the guy who's hosting this, so I need to tell you lot to just be responsible. Don't be a dick. You know, don't drive around doing drifts with a load of parked cars next to you. Save it for the road. Oh, no, I'm not even I shouldn't even say that. Save it for a private road. Just be responsible, and hopefully everything will go great. Links in the description for the AUXBEAM lights. The lights themselves were made by a guy that runs, I think they're called Harry's Mark IV mods, but the guy himself is not called Harry, I don't think. I don't know. And then link is also in the description for my Facebook page along with my Facebook meet. The exact location will be revealed probably this Saturday. So like I say, thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you like the lights, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. See you later.